Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F12 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now select apps, click on the three dots at the top right corner and pick permission manager. Over here select one of the options like location, click on it and select an app. I will go with maps. Over here pick one of the options, allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back I can see that maps gained access to my device location. But you can also click on this app, tap on see all maps permissions over here and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!